Hello, amazing Thompson Tigers. It is I, Mrs. Seth, once again. Okay, so I had a few suggestions um, as far as what videos to record next, and this was one of them. So, this is pretty much using a place value chart with decimals. Okay, so let's go ahead and make our place value chart. The greatest place value I have is in the hundreds place. Okay, so first I'm gonna write that number down again. 846. I see a decimal. 2, 5. I'm gonna separate them so I can make my place value chart. Okay, and over here we see a decimal, and every time we see decimal we say and. Okay, so to the left of the decimal is the ones place, and we write a 1 on top, and right and on to the left of the ones place is the tens, and to the left of the tens place is the hundreds, so we're at 100 on top. These before the decimal, they are all called whole numbers. So I want you to think of dollar bills. Okay? So these are all dollar bills. No coins whatsoever. No coins. All bills. Okay? And to the right of the decimal, is that's right, tenths place. And this is how we write it in number form. 0, decimal 1, tenths. And this is the hundreds. Hundreds. And how do you write this in number form or decimal form? We have a 0, decimal 0, 1. So this is basically the pennies. They're 1 penny costs 1 cent or equals 1 cent. These are dimes. They each cost 10 cents, so it's tenths. And I need 10 dimes to make 1 whole dollar. Okay? So now that we made our place value chart, it's easy for us to figure out what the value of the digit 5 is in 846 and 25 hundredths. So we're only looking for the digit 5. And here is digit 5. So the value of the 5 is hundredths. Hundredths, because it's in the hundredths place. This is my answer. The value of the 5 is hundredths. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video. Let me move this up. Pause the video to see if you can do number 2 on your own. So pause it now. Okay, and you should have, now that you played it, you should have been able to answer it. So we should write our number down first. We have a 10 decimal 24. And just separate them. And then we're going to label. When we see a decimal, we say and. That's right. To the left of the decimal is the ones place. So we put a 1 on top. To the left of the ones place is the tens place. So we put a 10 on top. And on the right of the decimal, we have the tenths place. And how do you write that? 0, decimal, 1. And to the right of the tenths place, we have the hundreds. And we write it as 0, decimal, 0, 1. So in our question, we are looking for the value of the digit 2. Value of the digit 2, is this a 2? Nope. Is this a 2? Nope. Is this a 2? Yes, it sure is. And what place value is it in? The tenths place. The tenths place. So your answer should have been tenths. If it was tenths, give yourself a pat on the back. Excellent job. See you next time.